What are diphthongs? Diphthongs are a phonetic sound in English, and their name comes from a Greek word meaning two sounds. So a diphthong is made up of two vowel sounds pushed together to make a single sound. They're often called gliding vowels or compound vowels. They're all vowel sounds, so they're all voiced. So all of the diphthongs, you should feel a vibration in your throat when you say these sounds. There are 8 diphthongs in English. So a diphthong is two vowels pushed together. So your mouth slides between the position of these two vowels as you make this single sound. So let's take a look at the 8 diphthongs in English. So first, there are 3 diphthongs that end in the sound E. A, train, train. I, bike, bike. Oi, oi. Boy, boy. There are 3 diphthongs that end in the schwa sound, end in the sound a. Ear, 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 ear. Uhr, uhr. Tourist, tourist. Air, air. Bear, bear. And there are 2 diphthongs that end in the sound oo. Ow, ow. Cow, cow. O, o. Phone, phone. It's important to remember that a diphthong is a combination of 2 vowel sounds, not 2 vowel letters. So take a look at these 2 words as an example. So for the diphthong sound air, air, you see this in the word chair, chair, and you see the letters A-I. So there are 2 vowel letters and 2 vowel sounds, air. Chair, chair. But then you have the same diphthong sound, air, in the word parent. But in parent, the sound is represented by just 1 vowel letter, A. Parent. Parent, parent. So just remember that a diphthong is a combination of 2 vowel sounds together. There are videos of each individual diphthong sound. You can find them here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. I'll put the link up here and down below the video. Jill's English Pronunciation Gym has lots of ways to help you practice your English pronunciation, from phonetic sounds to tongue twisters, limericks and more. So head over to Jill's Gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.